I'm a big believer in organizing information in a way that makes it consumed at the highest level. And so I do things like at the front end, it's like a summary. And then I have the supporting points, right?
Mm,
And kind of go through, and usually there's a conclusion. Well, in the creation of the manifesto, I wanted it to be very easy for someone to activate. And since it's so personal, they might not want to share their manifesto with everybody,
right.
right? So it's something, it's theirs, and they don't have to share. It's for them, it's to them, from them, and whatever they want to share with another person, they can. So I wanted to design it in a way that the structure allowed for mastery, and then like to break it down into components.
Yeah.
So this is my definition of a good man. Great. Here's some of the components that supported it, right? And so that's why we go into what are your core values? And we have a
Yes.
whole exercise on that. And basically, I mean, I know we're going to get into it, but you take all the things that you love about what people do, you take all the things that people hate, right? That they do, you take a look at it and you throw out the love list and you just look at all the hate ones, right? Because those bother you so much
Right.
that they actually get you to the point of being frustrated.
Yeah.
And so you just look at what's the opposite of that, right? And you understand what your values are. And it's really
Yeah.
cool. In that, like, hey, this is the clay, right? This is like my definition of a good man. What are my priorities? And so if my whatever my priorities are, I'm applying my definition of a good man to my priorities. I must be able to articulate what my priorities are.
Yeah.
So having that kind of on the home page too, the page one, is really important.